What up? Hi, YouTube.
This guy's weird.
Yee.
What up, YouTube? Hope you're new here. Click that subscribe button and that little bell icon down below. Then you get notified of when I upload and I do another YouTube video. Say hi to Brandon. And Joe Hicks.
We're at my house. He's spending the night at my house.
Yep.
Yes, let's watch King Kong Sign. Hey, let's do a floss.
No, floss, that's what kind of going around now.
Yep. Y'all know it.
And so it's Brandon's birthday. So we're gonna open up presents soon.
Hey, he said the S word.
Brandon, did you really?
No. Yeah, one of those guys.
Oh. That's a big Kong. Okay, Brandon, wanna open up presents now?
Dad, can we open up presents?
Yeah. Hey!
We're gonna open up presents.
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 So this one's from me and the card's from Joe.
Open up the small one first. Yep.
Maybe it's money.
Happy birthday to you, Brandon.
Get to the point.
A $20. Hope you have a great day, your friend Joseph. It's a card. What the heck?
I know I have these paper it's all right.
What's wrong with you?
Joe, give Brandon. Give Brandon his present. It's from me. And I gave him something good. Here's your present. We taped it shut so you couldn't peek inside.
What? There's nothing there.
Yeah, there is.
Pretty paper though.
You're pretty paper. Jesus.
Oh yeah. Ultra Prism.
Ultra Prism. Ultra Prism.
I'll trade you
Ultra
for
Prism.
You gotta do the same. Can I have one?
Brandon,
They're different.
you know what I thought? I thought since there's 4 of us, we could do like a pack battle, but whatever cards we get, you get.
Yeah.
Just so we can open up a pack.
No. Fine, we each get to open up a pack.
Hey.
He gets to open up too.
Ow! Ow, that hurts. It hurts.
Now, how do you open these?
You just shove them up your butt.
Like this.
Yep. So right here, we got the Necrozma pack art.
Yee.
What'd you get, Bug Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gave him Ultra Prism, the new set.
Nice.
I'll trade you.
And we're opening them up.
Yep.
Freaking open, God.
I'm gonna open up this one.
Dude, I got Murkrow, Gabble,
Gibble.
Dewpider,
Oh my god.
Stunky, Turtwig,
Did you do the card trick?
Purgly,
Dude, we killed it.
Slazzle, Energy,
Okay, I swear to God.
Pokemon Fan Club, Crenanidos, Oranguru, and one of these things.
God. Should open 2 of them.
No. Oh, I'm gonna open this one.
Okay. So we got Fire Energy. Electric Mori. Luker. Yama. No clue.
Joe's still
Yama.
trying to figure it out.
Murkrow. Eevee. Lone Vulpix. Bronzer and a Shaman non-hollow.
So, we're opening up
a Dark Necrozma art pack.
Do you have scissors?
Joe!
I can't open them. No.
Don't mind me.
Brandon! Brandon, here, just look.
Hey! I'm not your friend.
Just kidding.
Dude, hey! I hate you.
Hate you too.
And I'm gonna introduce them.
Yeah. Go. Alright.
White code.
White code.
Wait, hold on. Show the code. Show the codes. Trent, where are the cards?
Yeah. Give me the code.
Oh.
So,
You have to do the card trick.
so we got a Alolan Vulpix,
No, look.
Diglett, Shinx, Nina,
Okay.
Bronzer, Darkai,
So 3.
Darkrai. Oh, that's an that's a Prism card. He just got a
Electrive.
Prism card.
Alright.
Energy,
Kirby.
Orangu, Looker Whistle, Float Zal.
Bro, give me that
Oh,
card.
bro, that's a hollow. He just got a Cressella hollow.
He got Cosmo Man, Pokemon Fan Club, Gabby.
Bro, this card, it's worth like a lot. A Darkrai Prism, it's worth a lot.
Scorpy. Oh, we're getting to it.
I can't believe it.
Yangus,
Yangus.
Cherubi, and we're back.
So here's the cards that you got. Oh, let's do a review.
All the cards.
Good, put the good
Let's
ones
have an epic
in the
Nerf
bag.
War battle with
They're good,
Kara.
put the good. So he got a Shaman, Bronzor, Lone Vulpix, Eevee. Yeah, put this. Eevee, Murkrow, Yama, Pikachu, Yagma, Luker, Electric Mower, Fire Energy, Skunky, Dirtwig, Polgary, Sandlaz, Electric Energy, Pokemon Fan Club, Crandos, Orange Grew, Lone Vulpix, Alolan Diglett, Shinx, Yama, Bronzor, Electric Energy, Ogrew, Looker Whistle, Brazil, Goat Card, Murkrow, Gibble, Goat Card, Delipper, QB, Urchin, Reverse, Rare, Bunny Energy, Crystal, Pokemon Fan Club, Garbite, Chimchar, Virtue, Scoopy, Yangoose, the Darkrai Prism card, and the Cressella Hollow. These are the 2 good cards.
And this one.
Yeah, and this Reverse Rare.
Guys, we gotta put these in my Pokemon binder.
How do you know so much about those, Trent?
What?